already done my Tawa Pomfret Tandoori. It's a very delicious dish. Please try it. Hello friends, I am from India, Ahare Bangali channel, Pampa. I am doing this recipe, Pomfret Tandoori fish. Please stay with me and see this. At first, I going on this marination. I add on this some lemon juice, a little pinch of salt, some ginger garlic paste add on, and then some Kashmiri mirch add this, and then finally its first marination doing this. The marination is the first is very slightly, and it stay on 15 minutes rest, and then I will come back. I will come back and then prepare this second marination. At first, use on the yogurt, 2 teaspoons of yogurt, and then use some little pinch of garlic paste, little pinch of ginger paste, and then add on some little pinch of salt. Then mix it some garam masala. Mix it some crush ajwain. This process. Mix some, put on this chaat masala. And then mix some Kashmiri mirch, red chili powder paste. Then I will mix some besan or some lemon juice, little bit of. It will mix. And then I will come back. Second marination is already done. This take second marination, please binding the besan or roasted grind flour is because it's not leaves the fish, the masala. And then I will doing this masala binding to the fish. It will binding the paste on the second marination paste. And just it rest on 15 minutes. The second marination rest on 15 minutes, and then I will back. it's put on tawa. Put on a tawa on gas oven and little bit of white oil on this. Already oil is heat. Then the fish is put on tawa like this. Some masala mixing with the fish and then 3 minutes it fried and then I will come back. Already this batter blend this fish and fried the fish already and then I will back second step. Stay with me please. Fish is baked on fire and then I will back. Already done by my Tawa Pomfret Tandoori. Please see it. The fish is already finely baked and I will garnishing this some lemon, some carrots, some cucumber, all of the colorful vegetables and fish look like very delicious. Who are my like this recipe and your please comments and share my this recipe and who's want to various type of recipes please subscribe my channel Ahare Bangali and then good night, see you, bye bye. I will coming new recipes tomorrow. Okay, thank you.